So, I got this tutorial.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on birdhouses.
Okay.
Yeah, it's how to make a birdhouse.
Right.
All right. First of all, it starts out with you have this sharp pain in your stomach, maybe at the left side of your stomach.
Okay.
You know, and this happens almost every morning.
Right.
Okay. So you get up, you go to the washroom because this means you need to make a bowel movement.
Yeah.
Okay? So, what you do first, you gotta make sure the lid is all nice and clean, nice and comfy to sit your ass on. Okay, and then you pull down your pants and you sit down and go, well, if you relax on the toilet, okay, it will come out easier and it will feel better. But sometimes you're going to have trouble getting that out. So what's good to do is to go out, buy some X-Lax, go back home, go on the toilet, and take the X-Lax. Sit, go on the toilet first, then you take the X-Lax, because you don't want to take it on your way home, because that would be messy,
Yeah, it would actually.
Yeah. So it's best to get home, go in the bathroom, sit on the toilet, and take X-Lax. Then it will come out.
Right.
But okay. So we got the X-Lax now.
Okay.
And you're sitting on the toilet, and the lid is so nice and clean for your dirty ass. And so you sit down, take some X-Lax, release it. Like, oh.
I thought it was supposed to be about a birdhouse.
Well, I'm getting to that.
Okay.
So, just sit down on the toilet, relax, and let nature take its course.
Right.
And as soon as you feel like there's no more, okay, you take some nice, drawn, soft toilet paper, roll it up over your hand, and make a little puff, like women do when they wipe their pussy.
Okay.
Well, you make a little puff and just, wipe your ass like this, go up, then down. Then you put it in the toilet. Then you flush the toilet. Close the lid first, then flush the toilet. Spray the bathroom a bit with, that spray stuff that smells good, like that stuff, what is it called? Jason LaBoop stuff.
Okay.
The best stuff to get is called Jason LaBoop. Okay? You can get that from any grocery store or any drugstore. And you got very important to remember, it is called Jason LaBoop. Okay? Very good stuff. So that's like the best stuff to use after you, go for shit. So anyway, so you take that stuff, Jason LaBoop, and you spray it in the bathroom. Then the most important part, and don't ever, ever, ever forget this, you flush the toilet. And then you wash your hands. But don't wash your hands too much. I mean, it's the same as everything else. It's like when it's like when you're in the shower and you start washing your private part. Well, don't do that too much. Don't do it too fast because something will happen. I had accidents in the shower. I was just scrubbing in too fast and hard.
Bro, I don't need to know that, dude. This guy's twisted.
So that is how to make a birdhouse tutorial. I mean, birds need toilets too.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So yeah, it had to do with the birdhouse tutorial.
Okay.
To how to make a birdhouse and how to make a toilet. Well, not make it. How to use a toilet, not make one. Use one.
Right.
So birds, they go shit just like us.
Yeah.
Said those asshole birds like to shit on us.
Those seagulls.
Yeah. You know what we should do one day? We should go out one morning, get up into a tree over a seagull and go shit on them. What do you think of that? Speechless, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell you.
Oh yeah, one more thing. This is also very important. You gotta close the door. Turn the fan on, close the door. But that is the problem with a birdhouse, okay? There's no door and there's no fan.
Yeah.
So maybe, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna buy a little miniature fan. Little bird door. Oh my god, this one's too good. Maybe we shouldn't put it on YouTube. Keep it for us.
What do you want to do?
Okay. I guess. Okay. Alright. I guess that's it.
You've been anonymous.
And Slider, and we'll see you in the next one.